Welcome to the video about selecting the tools and technologies. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the tools and technologies used to implement a data architecture blueprint and outline the selection criteria for specific tools and technologies. Imagine a capital market bank where the selection of tools and technologies is critical to implementing a robust data architecture blueprint. This choice directly impacts the system's scalability, efficiency, compliance, and ability to handle real-time trading and analytics. Let's look at the factors and recommendations that will guide you through the selection process for each component of the data architecture. For data ingestion, which involves collecting and importing data from several sources, the tools must be able to handle high-frequency trading, data, market feeds, and batch data processing. Tools such as Apache Kafka and Amazon Web Services, or AWS Kinesis, are ideal for real-time data streaming, enabling low-latency data processing for trading systems. For batch processing, ETL or extract, transform, and load platforms like Talend, Informatica, and Apache NiFi can manage large periodic data loads from CRM systems or external vendors. The selection criteria include scalability, real-time capabilities, and compatibility with existing systems. Next is data storage, which must be designed to handle structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data efficiently. If you are using a data lake, platforms like Amazon S3, Azure Data Lake, and Google Cloud Storage provide scalable, cost-effective options for storing raw data, enabling exploratory analysis and machine learning, or ML. If you are using a data warehouse for structured data, platforms like Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and Azure Synapse Analytics offer excellent performance and scalability with support for SQL-based analytics. Selection should prioritize scalability, cost efficiency, and integration with analytics tools. Then, you have data processing, where tools are essential for transforming raw data into actionable insights. For batch processing, Apache Spark stands out for its distributed computing capabilities and compatibility with diverse data sources. For stream processing, Apache Flink and Apache Storm are suitable for real-time analytics, especially in scenarios requiring immediate insights for trading or risk management. Processing tools should be chosen based on their speed, fault tolerance, and ability to handle complex transformations. Capital market banks must adhere to strict regulatory requirements, making data governance and security tools indispensable. For governing data, tools like Calibra and Alation help maintain a data catalog, ensure data lineage, and enforce governance policies. Security tools like IBM Guardium and Imperva provide robust data protection, encryption, and monitoring. For cloud-based systems, built-in solutions like AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, and Azure Security Center are reliable. The focus should be on compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, or MiFID II, and Dodd-Frank. Providing business users and data scientists with seamless access to insights is crucial. Business intelligence, or BI tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik offer intuitive dashboards and analytics capabilities for business reporting. For advanced analytics, Databricks and SAS, which stands for Statistical Analysis System, can support machine learning and predictive analytics, which are essential for algorithmic trading and risk management. Key criteria for selection include user-friendliness, advanced visualization options, and ML integration. Cloud infrastructure requires managing hardware and software elements such as computing power, networking, storage, and virtualization resources to enable cloud computing. AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform provide comprehensive ecosystems for data storage, processing, and security. Hybrid cloud solutions like VMware Cloud can integrate with on-premises systems, ensuring compliance and data residency requirements. A cloud-first strategy enables scalability and flexibility while reducing capital expenditure. In this video, you learn the factors and recommendations for selecting each component of the data architecture. For data ingestion, Apache Kafka and AWS Kinesis are ideal for real-time data streaming, while Talend, Informatica, and Apache NiFi can manage large, periodic data loads. For data storage, Amazon S3, Azure Data Lake, or Google Cloud Storage provide raw data storage. Snowflake, Google BigQuery, or Azure Synapse Analytics are used for structured data. For data processing, Apache Spark provides distributed computing capabilities, while Apache Flink and Apache Storm are suitable for real-time analytics. For governing data, Collibra and Alation help enforce governance policies, and IBM Guardium and Imperva provide robust data protection and security. AWS Identity and Access Management and Azure Security Center offer solutions for cloud-based systems. For data access and analytics, Tableau, Power BI, and Qlik offer capabilities for business reporting. Databricks and SAS are efficient for advanced analytics. Cloud infrastructure requires AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform for storage and security. VMware Cloud ensures compliance and data residency requirements.